started. I'm going to teach you from the front, but I will also show the back. You really base this into 3 simple steps, and the more you practice it, the more the muscle memory will come along and it'll become easy, and you'll be able to kind of feel the flow of it. So I'm going to start right foot, you're going to kick out, then you're going to bring that right foot back underneath you, you're going to step on it, transfer all your weight underneath you, keep your body weight centered, and then you're going to step out with this foot and transfer all your body weight onto this foot. So we're going to step here. So you're kind of hopping from this foot to your left. So I'll show you that from the back. So we have right, then we step onto that right, and then we hop over onto that left. What that looks like when you speed it up a little bit, we have kickball change, which is why it's called a kickball change. From the front, doing that 5, 6, 7, 8, kickball change. A little faster, 5, 6, 7, 8, kickball change. To do that other side, the transition, we landed on that left foot, so we're gonna hop back onto that right foot, and then to do the left side, you're gonna do mini hop as you kick out that left leg, then step on your left leg, all the weight transfers, still keeping your body weight centered and above you, and then hopping on to that right foot, off to the side a little bit, kicking that left foot out. From the back to the left side, so we just went bum, 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 hop right foot, kick left, hop onto that left foot, go on to that right, kick, bum, change, in, hop left, onto that left leg, hop over onto that right foot, and then transfer back. We're going to do that same kind of thing where we step back onto that left, but then we do our little hop to restart on our right. So what that looks like, we have kickball change and kickball change. And you can continue from here. So from the front, we have, starting with our right, kickball change and kickball change. And kickball change and kickball change. So you can even feel that with that 1, 2, 3 step, 1, 2, 3 step, 1, 2, 3 step, 1, 2, 3 step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From the front, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. And from the back, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the basic kickball change. So another variation of the kickball change you can do. So our first one we learned we're going out. For this one, you can actually go more diagonal and behind. So what that looks like, we have boom, 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 boom. It almost goes into like a play pocket or like an X step. What you do instead for this one, we start on our right leg. I'm kicking a little more onto the diagonal left corner with my right leg. And then I'm hopping onto that right leg, and then instead of going off to the side, I'm gonna go back to this right corner and transfer my weight. Then I'm gonna hop back onto that right leg, use this left leg to kick to the right corner. Ready to do that kick, put all your weight onto your left leg, and then step onto that right leg to the back left corner. I'll show you from the back. So we're taking our right leg, we're doing that mini hop, but we're kicking to the left corner. We're hopping onto that right leg, and then we're transferring all our weight onto that left leg, kicking this right leg up, and we're going to hop. Recenter, we'll do our hop, kick left leg, all the way on that left leg, and then all the way onto our right leg, kicking that left leg up, and recenter. Together, that looks like this. We go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. From the front, what that looks like connected, we start with our right, we go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. A tip for this is staying more on the balls of your feet. That way it's not so heavy and it's easier to bounce and shift your weight. So when you get up to faster speeds, it'll be easier to keep that going and keep light on your feet. So sped up, we have starting from our right side, We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickball change. And from the back, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's about it for the kickball change. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, or you can reach out to me on Instagram or TikTok at LiveAnLargeCO. If you guys have fun with this move, you want to tag me on Instagram and TikTok, I would love to see your video.